Welcome students. In this video we will study D types of point groups, particularly D and D type. For D and D point groups there should be Cn perpendicular to nC2 plus n sigma d. There should be a Cn plus n number of C2 and it must contain n sigma d. Now this D is nothing but the dihedral plane. Let us take one example. Now this particular object contains C3 axis and 3 C2 axis. One from this side, one from this angle, another from this angle, and there is a one C3 axis. So one C3 axis plus 3 perpendicular C2 axis, it means it has a D3 plus there are 3 dihedral plane. One is passing from this one sigma d, second passing from this atom, second sigma d, and third is passing from this atom. So D3 plus 3 sigma d, it means the point group is D3D. You can draw it like this by dotted line axis. The operation should be from the center of gravity point. I have already mentioned. Second example of D and D point group is this type of object. So this is the center of gravity point and there are 4 C4 axis plus 4 C2 axis plus 4 sigma d. Therefore the point group is D4D. You can practice. So there are 4 C2 plus C4 axis plus 4 sigma d. Dihedral plane. So if the hexagonal structure is there, then the point group is D6D. Now the next type of point group is the special types of point groups. Special type. Molecules with special symmetry. For example, CH4, CCl4, NH4 plus, SiH4, PH4 plus, BH4 minus, etc. All these molecules or ions are having tetrahedral geometry. Like this. Suppose we will take simple example of methane. So in this case the point group is TD. When the geometry is tetrahedral, then the point group is TD, because 4 atoms occupies the 4 corners of cube. So here is the center of gravity point. So here is one atom, here is second atom, fourth atom, third atom and fourth atom. So it is a tetrahedron structure. Tetrahedral molecule is having TD point group and it has 24 elements. There are 24 elements. Then octahedral molecules. Octahedral molecules. For octahedral molecules, the point group is OH. The structure of octahedral is something like this. There is a central atom surrounded by 6 ligands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And structure is looking like this, 3-dimensionally. So octahedral structure there is a one metal atom at the center and there are 6 ligands. Therefore, the point group is octahedral OH. For perfectly octahedral complexes, the point group is OH. But in case of octahedral complexes, there may be a Jahn-Teller distortion. So this is a major issue. When the complex is with Jahn-Teller distortion, then always remember the point group is D4H, not OH. In octahedral complexes in character table there are 48 elements. So sometimes question may be asked on perfectly octahedral or the complex with Jahn-Teller distortion. Then you should know the geometry as well as the Jahn-Teller distortion. If the complex is perfectly octahedral, then the point group is OH, and if not, then the point group is D4H. Another interesting point group is for icosahedral. If the structure is icosahedral, then the point group is IH. For example, P12H12 2 minus, clozoborane. Clozoborane. So this contain icosahedral structure and the point group is IH. The structure is somewhat difficult to draw three-dimensionally on the two-dimensional surface. It has 120 elements. The character table contains 120 elements. Therefore, this type of point groups are very important to study. Thank you very much for watching this video.